Welcome to Pass for USA, your national real estate pre-licensing and state exam prep course. I'm Nova, your instructor, and I'll be guiding you step by step toward passing your real estate licensing exam on the very first try. If you've just completed our 20 free practice questions, you've already experienced the style, difficulty, and format of real questions you'll see on exam day. If you haven't taken them yet, I highly recommend starting there. It's a perfect warm-up before we dive deep. Whether you're brand new to real estate, switching careers, or retaking your exam, you are in the right place. Pass for USA is a federally compliant, nationally aligned exam prep course, meaning the content here applies to every U.S. state. While each state has its own additional local laws, the majority of your exam, and what most students struggle with, is the national portion. That's our specialty. We have built this course using nationally trusted and widely used sources, including Modern Real Estate Practice by Dearborn Real Estate Education Principles of Real Estate Practice by Stephen Metling and David Kusich, the Real Estate License Exam Prep Series by Prep Agent and CompuCram Style Methodologies, Realtor's Code of Ethics, as published by the National Association of Realtors, federal statutes including the Fair Housing Act, RESPIA, and TILA Uniform Standards of Professional Appraisal Practice, USPAP, state exam outlines published by PSI, Pearson VUE, and AMP. Every lesson is sourced, cited, and tailored to reflect national testing standards. Here's what's inside your course. Over 1,300 practice questions covering every tested topic. Chapter lesson ebooks packed with essential exam prep material. Interactive videos that break down complex concepts into plain English downloadable PDFs, shuffle mode practice exams to ensure you learn concepts, not just memorize answers. You'll cover every major category: real estate law and practice, agency laws and relationships, contracts and real estate agreements, property, transfer and title ethics and real estate financing and lending laws, valuation and appraisal methods, land use, controls and regulations, disclosures and environmental hazards, real estate math and formulas, state exam day, preparation and strategy. This isn't just another bank of random questions. Each section is strategically structured to match your state's exam format, whether you're testing with PSI, Pearson VUE, or AMP. We've included luxury real estate scenarios, real-world examples, and practical applications, so that you're not just learning the law, you're learning how to think like a real estate professional. One of the biggest reasons students fail their licensing exam is because they rely only on their state's pre-licensing course. Your state's course teaches you the material, and we teach you how to pass the test. Read each ebook chapter, designed in the style of leading national textbooks. Take each chapter quiz until you're scoring at least 80%. Finish with final exam simulations. If you pass those, you're ready for the real thing. So why choose us? Covers the national exam portion for every state. Harvard Academic Standard citations with real-world references. Lifetime access, buy once, keep it forever. There's no subscription, no expiration date, and no hidden fees. You can start studying immediately after you enroll it from your desktop, tablet, or phone. And while I can't promise you'll pass, no ethical instructor can, I can say this: if you put in the work, complete each section, and keep testing until you're consistently above 80%, there's no reason you shouldn't pass on your first attempt. Your real estate career starts here. Enroll today, unlock all your materials instantly, and take the next step toward passing your exam and changing your future.